Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I am coming on to show you an incoming swap. We did a red, white, and blue themed swap on my channel, and this is, actually not on my channel, on my Facebook group for Daisy Deb Crafts. If you want to join, go ahead and reach out and join the group. But anyway, one of my swap partners was Deborah, and she's on the group, and let's see what she sent. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is a loaded pouch. That is so pretty. Okay, let me get this open. Wow, that's pretty. I love the buttons. I'm going to pull it up closer so you can see it. See the little buttons, and then there's a pouch full of stuff right here, and I will pull that out in a minute. But look at that. Look at this. Handcrafted with love for you by Deborah. We both spell our name the same way, which is awesome. Thank you, Deborah. So let's open this real quick. Velcro. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this, what's in the outside pocket. Oh, look at the tickets. Okay, I'm gonna go through them. I believe in earth angels. I do too, Deborah. There's a lot of earth angels out there. Yes. Oh my gosh. Believe, blessed, one of a kind, and I believe in earth angels. Oh my goodness. And look at them. Okay, I have to learn how to do this. I think I have a die on these, but I just have to learn how to do them and take the time to sit down and do it. Look at these. They're so cute. Laughter is the best medicine. Yes, blessed, and I believe in earth angels. Oh, I love this, and I love the little tag that she did this. Okay, Deborah, tell me how you did this. I need to know. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look at that paper. Okay, I think I might have some of this paper. I can't remember what collection it is because, I have way too much paper. But anyway, look at that. She made it into... Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, let's see. I think my camera's crooked. Sorry guys, I'm adjusting you. My camera / phone. Oh, look. Little bookmark. How cute, how pretty. And I love that she put blessed on here. I love the little die cuts with blessed. Bookmarks are so cute. Oh, they open up. Oh, they're trifold. Duh. Okay. Okay, let me get back to this one. They're trifold. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Okay. Let me make sure, guys. Okay, that is so cute. And then she put this in here. This decal in here. It looks like she fussy cutted it. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of patience that this one doesn't have. This Deborah doesn't have. Oh, crafting makes everything better, even Monday. Yes, it does. Look at the buttons. Oh my goodness, how cute. Those are so pretty. And look, little white one. I have the tan ones or the craft ones. I don't have any white ones. Thank you for sending that. And the red, white, and blue. Look at that. I don't have any colors like this. Huh. Where'd you get these, Deborah? You're going to have to comment below and let me know. Oh my gosh, I love this loaded pocket. Oh, there's more. Look at this. Okay. This is like a never-ending pocket. Okay, where did you learn how to make this? I know I've made something similar like this from, I think, Soleil or Hold on. Prismagenic? No. I'll think of her name. I'll think of her name eventually. I've made something. And look, Boston Art Students Association. Look at that. Bossa, like Casa in Fort Worth. Casa Manana. Look at this. Expires November 1st, 1900. Are you kidding me? Wow. That's amazing. I love Boston, and Boston's one of my favorite cities. And look at this in Havana, Holiday in Havana, Cuba. One of my dream places of going. Oh my gosh, Deborah. We got some ESPN going on here. I call it ESPN. Just, it's a joke. Anyway, ESP. Oh my goodness. So, I mean, seriously, I do want to go to Cuba. I don't know if y'all know or not, but I'm a retired flight attendant. I flew for 26 years for American Airlines, and I'm retired from them. But anyway, this is one of my dream places. I always wanted to go while I was a flight attendant, and it was illegal to go. Now you can go, and I haven't gone yet. Eventually. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Look at all the tassel. Okay. Oh, duh. Okay, sometimes it takes me a while. But anyway, it's on a paper clip. This is so cute. Okay, Deborah, you have to teach me how to make this. Okay, and where did you get the ruffled, look at this. The ruffled eyelet lace or trim. I absolutely love this. This is so cute. Thank you so much. All right, let's get into this pouch. Okay, ATC card. I used to make these. So girl, you may get me back into making ATC cards. This is so cute, and I love fairies, and where flowers bloom, so does hope. Yes, yes ma'am, it does. That is so cute. Oh, look how cute. I love that holographic paper. Okay, I need the holographic paper, and I love this fabric. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Deborah, you outdid yourself. This is so, so, so cute. Thank you so much. And you showed us this in the group. You showed us what you were making. You were working on. Oh my gosh, you took all your scraps and put it on here. Okay, I want to learn how to do that too. So, yeah, you've got a job here. You've got to teach me how to make all that stuff. This is so, so, so cute. Thank you so much, Deborah. Oh my goodness. I'm so blessed. Very, very blessed. And I'm so grateful that you're in the group and that you're participating in our swaps. Okay, now I was supposed to do this earlier. Oops, sorry guys. I hope that didn't show. I'm gonna probably have to edit that out. But Deborah's daughter sent me some stuff too, and I just never took a picture or anything. Bad Deborah here. But anyway, she sent me some wonderful tea to go with those, especially this tea right here. She said that it would go perfect with my little teacup notebooks, and she is so right. Anyway, thank you so much for that. I think those are wonderful. Now I'm going to have to find something. I'm going to have to make something that goes with these too, because I think that's a great theme. That tea looks so amazing. Vanilla Midnight. Wow. I'm going to have to try that. I am. Look at these, what she made, these paper clips. Oh my gosh, how cute are those? And backed it up. Oh, look at that. Those are so cute with that butterfly. Thank you so much. You're just amazing. And then you sent me these. I always need these for my flowers. That's amazing. Thank you so much for that, Jen. And then, oh, look, I just did the video on this, and you had sent me one, and it is so stinking cute. I love this. Did you do this with the envelope punch board, maybe? Let me know. I'd love to find out. It's so cute. And then she sent me this beautiful washi tape. How beautiful is that? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Look, mom and daughter sending me stuff. And I just love it that y'all are in the group and everything. And we're just going to have fun in the group. We really, really are. We're going to have fun. So I want to show you a little sneak peek of something that I've been working on. And if y'all are interested, we'll do... this is not mine for sure. Palooza, and let's see who else did. Jean, I can't remember her name. I'm going to have to look it up real quick. But look at these cute little keychain dangles that they made on their channel. But Jean found these cute little envelope, these little what are they? They're actually jewelry envelopes. They're to keep your jewelry from tarnishing. And but anyway, I saw her video the other day, and well, let's just say I went crazy. Yeah, look, and there's more to come. But anyway, I'm gonna link their videos on how to make it, because yeah, you probably don't want me making it and showing you this one, because I don't know what I did. I filled it up too much or something. My stuff's not showing. But probably need to watch her video. She does a great job at it. But look at him. He is so cute. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I've been working on. Another thing that I've been working on. Got sidetracked from doing my videos and did that. But anyway, I want to thank Deborah and Jen for sending me these wonderful packages, this wonderful Happy Meal. It couldn't have come at a better time. I will do a little video peek of what I'm sending. I'm still running a little bit late. I have to finish a couple of things this weekend, and it's just been, work has been crazy. We've had some work done on the house and everything this week, and it's been something else. I haven't been able to get to my craft room. But anyway, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.